Hello, this is another assignment, Introduction to OOPS and C++, Self-Assessment Round 1, Assessment 2. What is access modifier? Name different access modifier with the use of cases. Explain what is the inheritance with an example. What are the different types of inheritance? What is the access modifier? Name different access modifiers with the use cases. Access modifier is nothing but which defines the access of the variables or functions which are in the class. So whether the defined variable or method or function can be accessed outside or not. So for that we will use keywords to define the access modifier. So there are three types of access modifiers: as public. Public is all class members are declared under public specifier will be available for everyone. The data members functions declared as a public can be accessed outside other classes and other functions too. And the second one is private. Private will be uh, the methods or variables which are derived on the private access modifier will not be accessible outside the class or will not be accessible in other functions as well. If it is derived in the class, it will won't be able to access in the main function, or it won't be able to access in the other class functions as well. This is the structure, syntax for defining public variable. And the protected one. Protected access modifier is similar to private access modifier, but we can access this by using protected keyword again. So we can access these protected variables or functions by using the same protected keyword in the derived class as well. This is how we define access modifier. These are the keywords used for access modifier. Three different keywords for three different access modifier: public, private, protected. Explain what is inheritance with an example. Inheritance is nothing but deriving a class from the superclass. Base class, deriving derived class from the base class. Sorry, I'm just getting confused. Deriving a class from the base class is a inheritance. You can call it as a superclass and child class as well. Parent class or child class like that. This is how inheritance mechanism will work. For example, child will inherit from parents. This is how the syntax will be. We derived player class and we derived sniper from the player class. We can access the base class variables or functions from the derived class. This is the result. So we are able to access health variable and health value as well. What are the different types of inheritance? Inheritance types is nothing but how we link between classes, like how we linkage between child class and parent class. These are five different types of inheritance, but all these types don't work on all programming languages. They will work on specific programming language only. They are different from one language to another language. Single inheritance. Single inheritance, only one class will be derived from the one parent class or base class. So, and the visibility of the variables or functions will be derived during the syntax. It may be public, private, protected. And another is hierarchical class. Single class, base class will have multiple inherited derived classes. Means multiple derived classes, multiple child classes will have same base class. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is nothing but a class will be there and it will be another class will be inherited from the base class, and another class will be inherited from the derived class itself, like it like chain classes. One base class, then it will be have child class, and child class will have another child class like this. This is the structure for single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance. This is hybrid and multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance nothing but the child class will have more than one base classes. Hybrid inheritance is nothing but as name indicates, it will have more than these four classes are there. Na? It will have more than two types, one or more than one type. Like it will have it will combination of single and hierarchical. It might be single and multi-level, like single and multiple, like that. Hope these are clear. Thank you everyone.